In this video I'm going to be explaining the issues caused by the most recent update to Microsoft Office, how it affects ACT, if you've been affected, and how to resolve it if you have been. So the easiest way to check if you have been affected would be to try and set up the email integration in ACT. To do that, you would go to Tools and Preferences, and we'll go to the Email and Outlook Sync tab, and we'll try to run the Email System Setup wizard. Click Next. If you've had the latest update, the issue is you won't have Microsoft Outlook as a selectable option in this window. It just won't appear where it normally would. That will affect you using Outlook with ACT at all. The other way to check would be to open your Microsoft Outlook, go to File, Office Account, and About Outlook. We're looking at the build number at the top here, and the issue is affecting 8201 build, as you can see we have here. So the way to resolve this, SwiftPage have released a knowledge base article, as you can see here. It contains a list of known builds that work and builds that don't work. The build that we've got installed is 8201, as I mentioned, which is the most recent and particularly problematic build. At the bottom of this knowledge base article, they have included a small file. This will roll Office back to the 4229 build, which we can see is a known build that works. To get to this knowledge base article, you can go to kb.act.com, and then you just need to search for this article number, which is 38580. That will take you to the knowledge base article you need. So we'll download this file. We'll save it to the desktop. At this point, I should mention you should be logged on as a Windows administrator in order to run this file. If you're not, you might need your IT manager to do that for you. Now we'll close any open Office applications. It doesn't matter if ACT is open, but we'll close it just in case. This is the file we've just downloaded. We want to right click that and select Run as Administrator. This window will appear letting you know that Office is downloading an update. This could take some time, particularly if you've got a slow download speed. It usually takes in the region of 5 to 10 minutes. Once the update has finished running, we can go back into Act. And we'll attempt to do the email system setup wizard again. From Tools and Preferences, Email and Outlook Sync, Email System Setup. Click Next. And you can see now we've got the option for Microsoft Outlook again. Another way to check that the update has run successfully would be to open Outlook and go to File, Office Account, and About Outlook. You can see we're now on build 4229, which is the one we downloaded and is the working build number. After this point, I would recommend restarting your system just to restart any Act and Outlook services. One final point to note is that once you've rolled Office back, you will want to go to the update options and disable updates. This is because otherwise, if you're on Office 365 subscription, updates will be applied whenever Windows updates are applied. So you may find your Office updates to the problem build again unless you disable the updates.